Okay, so here is a video that's going to be a little bit of an update on the class as well as the assignments. We are in the 4th week, so if you weren't aware, after this week is over, we will be halfway through the quarter. Since we don't have testing in May, though, we will go a full 8 weeks, so you will have plenty of time to get your grades up. I did one video sort of like this a while ago, but apparently I didn't share my screen, so you couldn't see anything. You heard me talking, so it might have helped, but since you couldn't see my screen, I thought I'd kind of do another one and just make it an up-to-date as of today, which is April 21st. So I believe my screen is shared. Am I recording? Yep, I'm recording, just to make sure. So let's go ahead and take a look at focus first. So here are all of the assignments that you have had so far. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 assignments, but that does not include the fact that you have a makeup assignment for assignment 6 this week. So if you didn't do it originally, or if you didn't get a great grade on it, you can do it this week and it will replace your other grade. If you got a good grade on the first one, which not many people did, but you don't have to do it this week. I'm only counting one of the 2 grades. Assignment 4, second attempt. So this was and I'll go over this, I'm going to open it up. This was the assignment where you were supposed to take the worksheet out of the assignment, do the problems, take pictures of your work. You need to show your work because the answers are already in the document. So clearly I'm not going to judge you based on answers that are already there. So you need to show how you got the answers, and then you need to load that into Word, and then you need to upload Word into Focus. So I'm going to go over all of that. There's actually a whole nother video that goes over it as well. So what I'm going to do for the class, and some people had technical challenges, and since I was also learning how to put this and some of the stuff wasn't clear, some of the videos weren't great, that's why I've switched to doing them in teams. I'm probably not going to count every assignment as a grade. So I will look at all of the assignments you've completed, take the grade for those, and then I'll probably forgive some of the assignments, meaning I won't count them, or I'll give you extra credit on the ones if you did do all of them. So it certainly can't hurt you to do all of them. Actually, it would help you quite a bit if you got extra credit on the ones that you did that other people didn't do. So you have plenty of time, is what I'm saying. So let's look at the assignments for this week. This is a Pearson assignment. A lot of the assignments are Pearson assignments. That means you need to go to the online book. There is a video on how to get to that, but just the quick version. If you go to your Clever, this is the online book right here. You may have to do some setup stuff when you first open it, but once you do that, like just choose an icon and do some other stuff. Once you do that, though, you addition, you have assignments where I attach files. So here's an example, the one that's due this Friday. So you see this is due this Friday. You need to take this file right here. You need to open it up. And it has information, including example problems. You don't do the example problems. A couple of people turned in the example problems. They're already done. There's nothing for you to do. They've solved it out. Here's the answer right here. And they show all the steps. You need to use those examples, though, to help you with the actual problems, which are on the last, not the last 2 pages, because here's the last page. I'll just show you. The last page is all the answers. So you can check your answers by using the last page. So on page 6 and 7 are the problems that you need to do. They are systems of equations problems. You need to solve for x and for y. I'm telling you the ones that I think are easy, number 1, number 2. I mean, all of these first 10 really you should be able to do. The videos that I've done are pretty similar to these problems. But 1 and 2 are definitely easy. 13 is easy. 15 is really easy. 21 is easy. And then I think on the last page, 35 is really easy. For these problems right here, you see these red boxes. All I've done is I've taken one of the equations and I've transferred it into another format to where the variable, one of the variables is all alone. You don't have to do one of those. Like I said, you've only got to do 10. So if you choose 10 other ones, you'll be fine. I did a video though showing you what I did on these ones with a red box right here. So now with that in mind, let's go to the videos. So how do I show the name of it? The whole name of it. I just did this video today, these two videos actually. And these videos are about word problems. So you don't need to worry about those. That's something we'll probably do next week. I might do one little assignment on it where all you have to do is watch the video and answer a couple of questions. Here's the video on how to submit assignment through Focus. So it is called, well, it's called How to Submit an Assignment Through Focus. God, I hate it when it does that. I can't point to it. Let me, is there another way to show these, I wonder? I want to get out of this little, oh, maybe this, go to my channel. Okay, I think that'll work. There we go. So how to submit an assignment in Focus. That will walk you through what you need to do. Do not just take pictures and upload them into Focus. I don't want 10 different attachments or even 2 or 3 different attachments for that assignment. I want one attachment. So you need to watch this video. It's only 6 minutes long. It'll actually, I think, give you a hint in there as well, but you can do it from a phone. You don't even have to be on a computer to be able to do that. It tells you what you need to do in order to do that as well. The live session help right here will help you with assignment number 6, which is due this week, the second attempt on that. It will also help you with assignment 4 because it goes over how to do substitution problems. So do that or watch that video. How to get better grades in Pearson. That talks about checking your grades and looking at the comments that I put in there to help you. Okay, so here's a video on substitution. This is what I was looking for. So this video will help you do the second attempt of assignment number 4. And then there's also some videos from last semester that are on systems of equations using substitution. So you can use those as well. Here are all the videos. So when you go to my page, if you go back to last semester, we had system of equations by elimination. That's not the one we want. I think this is it. System of equations using substitution right here. Solving a system of equations using substitution, system of equations using substitution, systems of equations using substitution. So you should have plenty of videos to help you with assignment 4. Again, watch the video though after you're done that tells you how to submit it in Focus. All right. If I get 7 or 8 attachments, I'm not going to be happy, which means your grade is probably going to be lower than it could be. All right. So follow directions. So we will probably have 2 assignments each week moving forward. I am creating some kind of a quiz, which is going to be a little challenging because I know there are some of you out there using photo math. So I can tell, trust me, I can tell. So I will figure out how to do that in a way that will make it harder for you. Obviously, there's always a way that you can find a way around things, but it'll make it harder. So just try to learn how to do it on your own. Plus, you need to know how to do this next year anyway. And I think that's it. So I talked about the assignments that are due so far, which is just the ones that I showed you on the first screen. Talked about the videos a little bit. I'm not seeing many people in the live sessions still, so those of you that are struggling, it's going to be really, really hard for me to be sympathetic when you're not going to the live sessions. If you have technical difficulties, then you need to reach out to me through Focus. All of you can get to Focus, I'm pretty sure. So reach out to me and send me a message on Focus and tell me what's going on. I'll be happy to help you get everything straightened out. If you don't have a laptop, like I said, some of these, not so much the Pearson assignments, but the assignment that you're doing, assignment 4, the second attempt, you can do that without even having a laptop because you can submit it on your phone. So that is everything. God, there was one more thing I thought I wanted to go through, but I don't remember what it was. So I'll just stop there.